Many people are under the assumption that summertime is the busiest for me. You must be swamped in the summer. Actually, no. Summertime's not the busiest time of the year. It's usually the springtime. Because if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense. People want to move in the summertime, but it takes 30 to 90 days to close on properties. So they probably started searching or selling their home in the springtime. Most of your friends or family are probably going to be moving in the summertime because they don't want to hire proper movers. But it's really because they bought or sold their house in the springtime. Most people come out when the weather is getting nice, the snow is melting, the flowers are blooming. They want a new fresh start. So they start looking for properties or putting their houses for sale. The spring market can be good for both buyers and sellers. There's more choice out there for buyers and there's more buyers out there for the sellers. However, this could mean that there's going to be more competition for some properties out there. And for some people, this could be a very stressful time. If you have the proper guidance of how to search for property and what it is that you're looking for and being prepared, you're not going to be so stressed out. For sellers, you just need to prepare your house for the market, make sure it's marketed properly, and also priced accordingly so that we can attract the right buyers to your house. So bottom line is, summer is not the busiest time. It's actually the spring market. People just want to move in and actually enjoy the 2 months of summer that we actually get to not be looking at houses, but actually enjoying their properties. If you're thinking of making a move this year, the spring is a great time to start planning and thinking about it. That's it for this week. If you have any questions, comments, or anything you'd like us to answer for you, feel free to let us know. And until then, I'll see you next Wednesday.